Alright, in this video I'm going to be flying acro using the Tinyhawk Freestyle, and before I was using the regular angle mode and horizon. Today I guess I'll go ahead and try this acro mode and try a couple flips. Nothing crazy. I really want to start flying in acro, so I figured I'd try it out on these cheap quads first and see how it goes. So I'm going to be recording my DVR on these Eachine EV800s. And there's my SD card slot right there. I've already went over these. And the footage that you see is from these goggles. And I'll be using this regular FrSky antenna that comes with the Freestyle. It's not the best, but it'll get me up in the air. And then after that, I'll go ahead and put some video of the Modula6 HD. And I put that in acro, nothing crazy. And this again will show you the quality of the Modula6 HD. All right, that's it. It's just a break from the normal review videos. This is another video of a fairly cheap quad all-in-one setup to let you do FPV and try out acro mode and see if you like doing racing drones, and maybe in the future I'll buy something a little bigger once I get a little better at it. All right, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.